All right. Okay. I could always edit, right? Yeah. Okay, guys. All right, here we go. We have another Black Friday unboxing. They never end. This one is Kioko, and this is Canadian as well. So the last one, Sweetie Nail Supplies, was Canadian too. And these guys are Canadian too. So I'm happily finding Canadian brands to pick up stuff from, or Canadian companies, which is really nice.
Looks very
That means no hassle with border stuff and all that. So, okay. So, and this is adorable. Kioko, look at how cute that is.
It is cute, yeah.
I hope you enjoy all of your new nail goodies. Yes, I always do. All right. So, I just got a couple items from here. And let's see. Ooh, they added this. These are little gifts. So this is a little freebie gift. I got some nail files that are a freebie gift. Ooh, that is a very lovely pen.
It is.
That is a very lovely pen. Gel mixing palette. Oh, okay. So it's like one of my little palettes that I put stuff onto. And a cute little sticker. with their logo on it. It's adorable. All right, so those are the free little goodies. This stuff is, I'm gonna massacre it, I'm sure. I want to say it is Yogo Embo powder. Yeah,
okay.
Like, what? Okay, whatever. It is like a 3D mixing powder that you. Ooh. I'm not even really sure. It looks like it gives stuff like a.
Is this the stuff with the spiders?
Like a different kind of texture? No, I'm trying to think of something. It's kind of like, you know how sweater nails have that look with acrylic powder?
Yep.
Kind of on the same lines, but doing stuff that's kind of three-dimensional that you can add the color into this powder or add some powder into your color and mix it up. And then it seems like it gives it like a three-dimensional, gritty, textury kind of look. I don't know. I'm not really sure. I see people talking about Embo powder, and it looks like something, and I'm like, okay, well, we'll see what that is. So, all right.
All right, what's this?
This is Fiote. This one's an expensive brand.
All right.
So here, I'll take out the goodies I have here and remove the box so it's not in the way. Yeah, this was one of the higher end. Like they're all more expensive than anything I usually ever buy, but this one exceptionally so. Again, probably because they have all kinds of crazy packaging and bottles. Okay, so art display book.
Oh.
Well,
it's to put your art in.
That. Okay. I mean, okay, like. I guess that's kind of cute. I don't like, you pay for this stuff. You don't get part of the packaging, so you don't, that's not your thought process on it. But my thought process is on, I just paid for a box that I am not going to use. And I give you these little boxes. I'm like, I feel so bad. Yeah. I get these little boxes from my packaging and I don't know what to do with them. Take them and recover them with stuff and use them for something. So this one doesn't even have stuff in it. It's just an empty box that's on top of the packaging that I now have to get rid of. So it makes me feel guilty, and I don't like that. It makes me feel, and I mean, they didn't do any other fancy packaging here, which I like that idea. Their bottles are fancier, which,
those are very nice.
Some people really like fancy bottles.
I do like fancy bottles, and I'm not even a nail person.
And I'm again, it really doesn't do anything for me. Again, these are the cool syrups.
Is the exact same color as the bottle.
And that is going to really increase your price because that is hard, I imagine, to make sure that each bottle you produce is going to be only for these colors, and then it is the exact color of the bottle. So that's wild, but that's pricey. So that's where their extra pricing comes from. They are, right? Isn't this? Yeah. Like so much of the stuff I got was muted fall colors and stuff, but still that's what I like. Ooh, and that's really very sticky, that's very like I said, looking at the syrup stuff, it seems like that's more or less the stuff. Oh, what's this one? This is probably this is texture. That's why I got this set, because I was intrigued by this. it's like gritty, right?
Okay.
It's got like grittiness in it.
Yeah.
And I can't remember if it was like, I saw stuff where it was like, put this down first and then put the color over it and it gets textury, or if it's just this texture gel. Like, you know how I showed you those Madame Glam ones that have the granite look and all that kind of stuff where it gives you a different look. It looks like granite or rock, right?
Yeah.
So it might just be that that's like a tan color polish, but gives you that texturiness.
Well, that's really cool.
Yeah, like one of the sets that I ordered, not from here, but I think it's the Zillaboo that hasn't come in yet. It had it's called Fluffy Gel, and it looks like a sweater. It's got like little
hairs.
Yeah, like little Angora.
No, I don't
I know,
that.
And that's what I thought. I really thought that when I first saw them.
What do you do when you do dishes and stuff?
Oh, no. It just looks like it.
It just looks like
yeah, like so it is fluffy. In there. It is in there.
Okay.
But you cover it with a top coat, so it has the look, but without the actual fuzz on it, right? Like I've done ones with fuzz where they like a Santa hat and you put the pom-pom with, or the Santa brim with that fuzzy. I think I did nails for you one year that had that with this fluffy. It's fluffy stuff. Okay. And then you have a 3-dimensional fluffy thing on your, and it eventually wears away when you're doing dishes and stuff like that. So that's one of the downsides of using it.
Well,
but this stuff,
to wear gloves.
I know exactly.
Not everybody.
You're
does.
supposed to wear gloves when you're wearing nails.
Not everybody does, and that's okay.
Yeah, it's okay that you don't.
It's your fault if you mess up your nails.
Exactly. So the fluffy gel, which is not in this order, but we're talking about it, it gives you that look. It looks like an Angora sweater or something. It looks really neat.
Weird.
But without like the actual texture. And then, so I was like, before it used to really turn me off. I didn't like the look of it. And then I started thinking more about like winter and sweater nails. And I'm like, that might be a nice mix in there with a set where you have some of the nails like that. So that looked cool. So this is...
There goes my ADHD.
I feel
shiny. What's that?
I feel like I had another set in here. I feel like I didn't just order 2 sets, but what do I know? There's so many packages. I don't know what's in them. These came. I did not buy these. Oh. I think they were part of this set. I don't think they were added. At least I'm pretty sure one of them at least came with stickers. They may have added in another set to be sweet.
These are Disney? Because that's Belle and that's Ariel.
Yeah. So it comes with the... Yeah, it came with this set.
Cute.
Yeah. So it was just like a bonus for this set. And again, is this it? This is Lunaris, but that's not the brand. This is D-Gel, I want to say. No, Aurora Queen. And it's very expensive. Okay. It's on the higher end. And this is why. You're going to see why. Look at. So you're getting a plastic acrylic display board. Yeah. So then you're setting it up like this. And then you're putting your nail sample, like your samples on there. See. Okay. This is the same as like D-Gel. I ordered the sorcery set one year. And it came with the same thing, and I feel bad because I have nothing I can do with that. Like, I don't set it up.
Like all scratched up.
Oh, that's got a plastic.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah, you remove.
I was like, wow, that's really taped up.
you know the plastic cover, whatever, to protect it. Yeah. And then so then it gives you the little doohickeys to color as your samples, and then you glue them to your board, right? So you can show the because these are like super. So.
Oh, wow. Yeah, they are pretty.
Let's see, should I go up here? And like that super opal Aurora color. But again, I have a lot of stuff like this. So I may very well have duplicates of this very same kind of idea, just in different brands. So we will see what the difference is. Hey, look at that. Hey. So nice. Gotta love that. Gotta love those pretties. Yeah. So And what makes all of these brands so much more expensive is these bottles are always like 10 mils or less.
They're small.
And typical bottles are like always 15 mils for most typical like North American brands, right? So here you can see where all the extra pricing comes in, is all these goodies. So personally, but some people love this stuff, right? They're all about how awesome the packaging gets. Me, I'm all about, I don't want to pay for all that because I have to throw it away. And I feel terrible. And the guilt, it gets me. Okay, so Yeah, so that's it.
Yeah, that was really nice. Like,
I thought I got a third set in here, but okay. So yeah, it looks like just the 2 sets there from, where was this? Kioko? Is that where we were? Yeah, we were at Kioko. Yep, so just the 2 sets from Kioko.
Awesome.
Nail Supply. That was awesome. Okay, so that was a super fast one, guys. And thanks for being here. And don't forget to love your nails. Bye.